In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 budget to best personal blender 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 budget to best personal blender 2026 on Amazon. Number 1, NutriBullet Full-Size Blender Combo NBF50500 1200W Blender with 64-ounce pitcher and 32 ounces single-serve cup, extractor blade, 3-speed, pulse and easy clean for smoothies, soups, sauces, and frozen drinks. Powerful 1200W motor high-performance motor blends fruits, vegetables, ice, nuts, and frozen ingredients into smooth, consistent results. Full-size and single-serve combo includes a 64 ounces blending pitcher for family-sized recipes and a 32 ounces personal cup for convenient single-serve drinks. Versatile blending controls features 3 speed settings, pulse function, and extract mode for smoothies, soups, sauces, dips, nut butters, and more. Number 2, Ninja NutriPlus Personal Blender BN301 900 Peak with compact smoothie blender with 3 by 20 ounces to-go cups, 2 spout lids and storage lid. Personal blender for frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. 900 Peak with motor powerful blending performance crushes ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients for smooth, consistent results. Compact push-to-blend operation. Simple one-touch blending makes preparing smoothies, shakes, sauces, and frozen drinks quick and easy. 320 ounces to-go cups blend directly into the included travel cups. Then attach the spout lids and take your drink wherever you go. Versatile blending performance perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, frozen beverages, sauces, dressings, dips, and everyday meal prep. Durable stainless steel blade assembly. Precision blades efficiently process fruits, vegetables, ice, nuts, and other ingredients. Easy cleanup and space-saving design. Compact footprint fits easily on kitchen countertops, while removable parts simplify cleaning after every use. The Ninja NutriPlus Personal Blender BN301 is designed to make healthy blending fast, convenient, and effortless. Featuring a 900 peak watt motor, it delivers the power needed to crush ice, blend frozen fruit, and process tough ingredients into silky smoothies, creamy sauces, nutritious protein shakes, and refreshing frozen drinks. Its compact push-to-blend operation provides simple one-touch control, making it ideal for busy mornings and everyday use. This personal blender includes 3 20-ounce blending cups, 2 convenient spout lids, and 1 storage lid. Number 3, Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender QB3001SS 700 watt Smoothie Blender with 16 ounces to-go cups and spout lids. Personal blender for smoothies, shakes, frozen drinks, and food prep. Blackpoint 700 watt powerful motor delivers efficient blending performance for smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, fruits, vegetables, and ice. Compact space-saving design. Small countertop footprint fits easily in kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and offices. Number 4, Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set. Compact personal blender for smoothies, shakes, sauces, and food prep. Multifunction countertop blender. Silver Point 11-piece complete blending set includes multiple blending cups, lids, blade assembly, and accessories for everyday blending and food preparation. Compact space-saving design. Small countertop footprint is ideal for kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, offices, and RVs. Multi-purpose blending perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, sauces, dips, salad dressings, baby food, and light food prep. Simple twist-on operation. Easy-to-use design allows quick blending with minimal setup, making meal preparation fast and convenient. Durable stainless steel cross blade efficiently blends fruits, vegetables, and other everyday ingredients for smooth, consistent results. Easy cleanup. Removable cups and accessories are designed for quick cleaning, making daily use simple and hassle-free. The Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set is a compact and versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify everyday blending and food preparation. Its space-saving design makes it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, and offices, while the included 11-piece accessory set provides everything you need to prepare smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, dips, salad dressings, baby food, and more. Featuring a durable stainless steel cross blade, the Magic Bullet quickly blends a wide variety of ingredients with simple twist-on operation. The convenient blending cups can also be used for serving and storage, reducing cleaning. Number 5. Ninja Blend Boss DB351BL Personal Blender, Auto IQ Smoothie Blender with 26-ounce travel tumbler, leak-proof lid, chug spout and detachable straw, blender for smoothies, frozen drinks and protein shakes. Blue Raspberry, powerful personal blending performance easily blends fruits, vegetables, ice, and frozen ingredients into smooth smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks. Auto IQ Technology intelligent preset blending programs automatically combine timed pulsing and blending for consistent, hands-free results. 26 oz travel tumbler included. Blend directly into the travel tumbler, then enjoy your drink on the go without transferring it to